How to get automatic data savings on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get automatic data savings on Opera Mini. First thing we're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click this one and now click here and then just go down until you find here this one, data savings, and click on it. And now all you need to do is just click here and then click this one, automatic. And now as you see now data savings in automatic, and that's how to get automatic data savings on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.